Welcome to Vyas & Sons Moorti Art, manufacturer and exporter of marble statues. The company was established in 1966 at Jaipur. Our customer-centric approach and ethical business dealings help us to achieve a present repute in the market. Sant Devi Moorti Bandar and Morilal Raj are some of our prestigious clients, and we are backed by unsurpassed quality products and extensive product line. We present a rich collection of Mahatma Gandhi statues, Lord Hanuman Moorti, and marble handicrafts. Our animal sculptures, Sai Baba, and Shiv white marble statues are a class apart. We are highly instrumental in presenting a wide spectrum of marble pots, Indira Gandhi busts and Nimbark God statues. Our marble furniture, Bhagat Singh busts, Radhakrishna, and Maharaja Agrisan statues are reckoned all over the world for their superb quality. We are known in the industry as the manufacturer of marble Moorti, Saint Ramdas Ji and Saraswati statues. Our organization is highly involved in providing an impeccable range of marble sculptures, freedom fighters, and religious statues. To get the best deal, log on at www.marblestatues.in.